Hi, thank you for watching, and today I am going to show you how to do the latest trend in cakes, which is the BurnAway cake. I forget who I saw this do this on TikTok, but I'm giving them credit, whoever it was. So I'm going to show you how I achieved the BurnAway cake. So we're going to start with the cake that's already iced. As you can see, I have markings as to where I want to do additional decorations. You are going to start with a printed piece of wafer paper for the top, and the bottom is just a printed image of a sugar sheet. Now this is a 6-inch cake, so I made both of my images 5 inches. You'll put that directly in the middle and go ahead and lay it flat, and then just smooth it out to make sure there's no air bubbles, and just so it can adhere to the icing. Once you do that, you'll take your piping bag with whichever color icing you would like. I just use the same kind for the cake. And you'll go around and you'll make a border around the image on the sugar sheet. And it's okay if you messed up, because it's going to have another border, because this is my first time doing this and it turned out so well. I went ahead and added another border just because I wanted it to be super high. The wafer paper sheet is flammable, but the sugar sheet is not. So I just wanted to make sure that there was enough room in between the two just so they wouldn't touch. Then you're going to take the piece of printed wafer paper and you're going to put it on top. I just pressed it down a little bit just to make sure that it's stuck to the icing border. And then you're going to take your icing of any color. I'm just using icing that I had left over from icing the cake. And you're going to make another border, a decorative border around the cake. And because we use 2 borders on the inside, after I make this initial border, I'm going to go right above it and make another border, just so it can be tall enough to stop the fire, pretty much. So as you can see, I'm going right above it and making sure that this border does touch the wafer paper. Okay, once you do that, you can leave it like that, or you can go ahead and decorate the rest of your cake. As you can see, I'm doing a border on the bottom just to match the top. And I am using a Wilton 1M tip. And after that, I am taking just a small leaf tip, and I'm just decorating down the sides of the cake. This is absolutely not necessary, and you can decorate the cake however you want. I did this all around the cake, and after I did that, I went ahead and placed some white pearls on the cake. After that, you can use a match, you can use a candle, you can use whatever you want to use to light it, but I am just using one of those long lighters that you use to light the barbecue grill. So you just take it and you can put it at the edge close to the icing, but I just prefer to do it in the middle just so it can have a better effect when it melted away at all sides. And you just hold it there for a second and the wafer paper will just melt. And as it melts, it'll leave the image from the sugar sheet below. And that's it. That is me. That is my picture. And I really enjoyed making this video for you all. I really hope that you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.